Rice cake machine SYP9002 CE Titanium Coated Mold and 50 box exhibition for Georgia. The later the alarm lamp will be added. Very nice. Okay, the temperature 260 for switches, speed 4.7, thickness 50, and backup core is 3.5 as the first setting. Pressure around 150, black color number. The pressure gauge. So check it. Set the pressure gauge. You had better close it. You use it longer. Emergency button here. Alright. To the cylinder valve to provide electric signal to the machine. The lights are moving as per the machine movement. Just setting out the cylinder there, and below the pressure set valve. Triple phase motor and pump. Oil tank fan must be on all the time during the machine works. White rice and brown rice mix, 50-50%. Feeding plate here. When the feeding plate go forward, it's at the first sensor. The red light is turn off. Go forward, it turn off. Come back to the end fully, it's a turn on again. Otherwise, cannot go to the next step. Two springs the feeding plate bring back, and the drive motor and rear head make a feeding plate go forward. Okay, it's the oil valve, check valve there, and valve. It's related with the pressure control, it's the electric lamp. Counterclockwise increase pressure. Counterclockwise decrease pressure. Okay, and it's a control box, inverter, 60 Hz. That's out, it's a temperature stable, breaker and contactor. And the relays on PCB brain of this machine, and transformer here. Oil tank, hydraulic oil 200 liters inside. Great. Yeah, all right.